Here's the new improved trap door 2.0. This trap door does not have the mechanism on the side nor on the bottom of the rail. It is actually right here on top. Steve come up with a great idea that you push down on the thumb and there it is. Bring it all the way out to show there's no hinge. And now the cam lock is part of the actual lever. So you will be able to simply push down on it, and to put it back in here, he's got a taper on the rod itself. Slam it back down and you are good to go. Obviously you can drag a car over this, no problem. And anytime you want to engage it, just push down on it. It pops up and you can remove the door itself, grab your chain. Detroit Wrecker trap doors. Notice that the inserts for the bolt-down rails are also flush. Nothing is protruded on top of the rail. And you still can bolt the rear rail to the front rail.